Good morning, everyone. My name is Nukro. I want to present my homework 2, number 1, with the topic of fuzzy logic. This title of presentation is Fuzzy Logic Implementation with 81 membership. 81 membership function for fan speed control based on temperature and humidity. To start with fuzzy logic, I want to highlight this one. It's from article in this website today.gov. This article is the title is how good is good. So this title make a study about how good is good. So when they said about good, okay, it says value of 5.83, somewhat good 6.08, could actually only 7.08. And why I need to mention about this one, because in his tweets or X, Brian Douglas, a quite famous uh, YouTuber that also sometimes work as a content creator in MATLAB, said about this is a great visualization of fuzzy logic membership function. Well, it's a partially great and partially superb and partially awesome and blah 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 blah. Engineer and educator at MathWorks. He has a website, Engineering Media, and Brian Douglas mentioned that it's a pretty good this is a great visualization of fuzzy logic membership function. So I need to mention about that. So let's do it. Introduction. Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is an uncertainty representation. Fuzzy logic captures uncertainty by assigning a degree of membership to elements ranging from 0 to 1 and a degree of membership. It indicates how much an element from a crisp set belongs to a fuzzy set, allowing for a partial belongingness. So belongingness is unlike a crisp set. Crisp set it only has a value 0 or 1. It's same like a boolean. Fuzzy set represent ambiguity by quantifying the level of inclusion of an element. And this is the block diagram of fuzzy logic controller. We have input here which is crisp, and then we will uh, input it into the falsifier, and then we have the inference engine with a rule base, and then to have the output we have to input it to the diffusifier first before we have an output of u with the function of t. So that's the block diagram of the fuzzy logic controller. And for this is for the fusifier. The fusifier it makes from the crisp to fuzzy. And I mentioned someone said that there is no prescribed or best way to choose the shape of membership function in the fuzzy system. That is the fuzziness in it. One could argue that the best way is to ask a network in the field where you are going to apply of your fuzzy solution, but those are not always available. So we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 types of membership function. 6. Oh, actually there is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have trapezium, Bell, trim, Gaussian 2, and another thing. And for in this case, I will use the triangular membership function. And for the membership function, we have like this one as a function. So this is an example of membership function. If we talk about grapes, I want to say that below the 40 km per hour is slow, then 40.1 is gonna be a fast, but 39 is gonna be so slow. This is a distinctive line to separate that group between slow and fast. And in the fuzzy, we has this kind of membership function. If it's zero or it's slow, if velocity is below 30, it always be called as slow. Definitely called as slow. If greater than or equal to 50, it's going to be called as fast. And if it is in this area, we have to measure or formulate this equation so we can get its membership function. That is the membership function. So this is inference engine and rule base, and so this one is the rule base. The rule base can be, it has to be if then rule, but it can be if then, if input then output, or if input A and input B then output, or if input A or input B then output. So if there is two input, we can choose between these two. If there is only one input, we can choose this one. In this case, I will use the second one. If input A and input B, then output something. The last one is diffusifier. Uh, the most famous method. There are three most famous methods. Center of gravity, weighted average, mean of max, and the COG is the most common that COG is the most common that usually used in fuzzy logic. So this is for the examples. The system description. This system uses fuzzy logic to control fan speed based on two inputs. So in this system, I will use two inputs, which are temperatures and humidity. The temperature is represented in degree Celsius, and the humidity is present in relative humidity, percentage of relative humidity. So this is the temperature. Each input is represented by 9 membership function. Temperature has 9 membership function. Humidity has 9 membership function. The membership function of temperature from very cold to extreme, and for the humidity is very dry to saturated. The total of the membership function is gonna be 81 based on the possible combination. The output fan speed from 0 to 3000 rpm, and I categorize it into 5 membership functions ranging from very low to very high. Uh, I hope that this approach enables smooth and adaptive fan speed control based on varying environmental conditions. So this is the membership function of the input. I have 9. For the temperature, very cold, cold, slightly cold, moderate, warm, slightly hot, hot, very hot, extreme. The range is, I define it like this one. And for the humidity, I use this one, very dry, dry, slightly dry, comfortable, slightly humid, humid, very humid, extremely humid, saturated. And I define the percentage of relative humidity as this one. And it has the fusifier of triangle. And this is the output. It also has a membership function as a triangle. The there are 5 output: very low, low, medium, high, very high. I define the range is like this one. So this is the graphical representation of the input, especially for temperature. So this is from 0 to 10 degrees Celsius is very cold. This one is not sorted by this one, but it's sorted by alphabetically. The blue one is cold from 5 to 15, and the purple one from 10 to 20, slightly cold, and so on. And this is the humidity. This is very dry, below 10% of relative humidity. And the comfortable one is should be on the 25 up to 40. I define it like this one. This is the relative humidity. Sorry. And this is for the fan speed. This is very low, below the 500 RPM, and the medium is on 900 up to 2000. That's for the fan speed in terms of revolution per minute. So this is the fuzzy rules. The temperature, very cold, fizzy, cold C, and so on. Humidity, percentage of relative humidity, very dry, dry, slightly dry, comfortable, slightly humid, humid, very humid, extremely humid, saturated. And this is the fuzzy rule that I use. If degree Celsius is fizzy, very cold, and percentage of relative humidity is very dry, then the RPM is very low. This is the kind of fuzzy rules that I use. And this is the defusifier. I show it in this fuzzy logic designer with the fan control speed. I already made this one. I will show it later. So this is the fuzzy logic designer. I will import from the file that I made. So this is the temperature. It has 9 membership function. The very cold. The parameter is from 0, 0 at the end of 10. And this one, uh, cold 5, 10, 15. You can see. Oh, not rules. Okay, this one, I show it. This one. And for the humidity, it's like this one. Sorry, I had to take a break. This is slightly dry, comfortable, slightly humid, very humid, saturated. And this is the rules. So if the temperature is set to 25 and the humidity is 50, 25 is, where is it? Sorry, 25. 25. Okay, this is 25. And so, huh? Wait. So it's gonna be up. Humidity is in here, and this is the temperature. So the output is gonna be like in here. So the output is gonna be 1.43 multiplied by 10 with the power of 3. So it's gonna be 1043 RPM. Okay, I think that's that I can show you. I will show it in the Simulink later. So if we have a simulation in Simulink like this one, this is a constant. I can use this one constant, and I have this one is a MUX. This one is fuzzy logic controller. I can say this one fuzzy logic controller, and for this one I make this fish name. uh, I adjust it to my files, and this is the display. So in this, like this membership function value, if I use the rule viewer, this one, if the temperature is 25 and the humidity is 50, and we have the fan speed of this one. So this is the fan speed. If I move the temperature to 40, for example, and I make the humidity in this one is 30, let's see how it goes. So the fan speed needs to be at the speed of 2150 RPM. Let's see the rule viewer. If I input the temperature as 40 and the humidity of 30, let's see the temperature, it should be, yeah, same. Temperature is the same as this one. Okay, that's all that I can present for this moment. Thank you so much for your kind attention, and see you in the next video.